Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. I just got a delivery in from Magic Gel, so let's see what I purchased. So I got a free little gift, and it is the 150 nail file. And I also got these cute little like decals or stickers. And I also got another thank you with a reusable, looks like a reusable palette. Am I putting, oh, yes. It's a little mixing palette that I could reuse. This is cute. I like the color wheel and how it has everything on here. So it's just freaking adorable. And it looks like I also got a little teeny like notepad. Okay. Now, this box, I didn't get a lot of stuff. My purchase mostly for this was the Best Friends collection, the spring collection. So before I get to that, let me show you everything else that I bought. I bought one of the bottles of NailGuard. This new NailGuard, the difference between this one and the other one is this one is HEMA free. The other one isn't. So I bought Opal, because I've been doing some Opal like crystal nails lately, and this will just help for the background color. This is what the color looks like up close. So really nice, like milky white. Has almost maybe a slight pink tint to it. Let me swatch this out. It's a nice milky white. I might have to use this in a tutorial. So I did a really cool set of like a rainbow moonstone nails, and that's exactly why I bought this, but this is what it looks like once it's done. I also bought a new pot of Acrygel, and this is the color Elegance. I've actually been really liking the Acrygel from Magic Gel, so this is what the color looks like. The other color I have, let me show you the other color I have. So this is Cream Puff on the left, and this is Elegance on the right. Elegance is a tiny bit darker and has a slight more like peach undertone to it. And any of my clients that I've tried Acrygel on, they're actually really loving this. I bought 3 brushes, and I got the regular versus the premium. So let me show you the first one. So this first one is the number 4 Essential Detailer. And the only difference between the regular and the premium is it has the same exact bristles as the premium. The only difference is it doesn't have a cap, and this is a wooden handle. And while I don't mind these brushes, these brushes are a little bit cheaper. So if you're on a budget like me right now, that's why I wanted to try these out before committing to the other ones. This is the brush, really, really thin bristles, and the brush length is 9 millimeters. Since this doesn't come with a cap, I will be keeping the little cover with it just to help protect the bristles when I'm not using it. So got the number 1 delicate liner, and this one is 7.2 millimeter bristle length, and that is the delicate liner number 1, and this is the bristle length. So these are both of them up close. The top one is the delicate liner number 1, and the bottom is the Essential Detailer 4. And this is what both of them look like. So you can tell they're really thin brushes, meaning they don't, the bellies of the brush, meaning this part is the belly of the brush, the middle. It doesn't, I really can't wait to use these. Some really nice, like thin, doesn't look like a lot of bristles. Oh, I'm excited to try these out. And the last brush I got is the Flawless Oval. This is a 13 millimeter brush. I like how on the packaging for the brushes, it gives you all of this information on here. The Flawless Oval, and then this is what it looks like. The belly of the brush isn't that big. Actually really nice. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. And the main reason for me buying Magic Gel products was for this collection right here. So let's open it up and let's see what the colors look like. So with every box of the mlaq colors you get from Magic Gel, they include the labels in here, which is actually really nice of them to do. And there were two collections that came out. You had the Best Friend collection. I don't remember the name of the other one, but I decided to get this one because this is more of your pastel colors. In number order, it starts with 276 and it goes to 283. So we have the color Soft Orange. I don't have a lot of Magic Gel polish, so it's not going to be a review and comparison. I'm basically just going to show you what each color looks like. Actually a really nice orange. I will say, if anyone knows me, they know I'm not one for pastel colors, but these are on the brighter side of pastel. I have 277 Mango Smoothie. Okay, this yellow has a tiny bit of like an orange undertone. That's actually a nice yellow. Oh. Then we have 287 Mints. Ooh. This reminds me of like literally mint green ice cream. Minus the black speckles for the chocolate chips. Okay. I think I might really like this collection. Next, we have Celestial, number 279. Okay, so I've seen videos and I've seen pictures of this collection, but the camera is not going to do this justice because this is a lot brighter than I thought it would be. But one thing with Magic Gel, which I like with their bottles, besides the fact on the side it has all of this information, on the lid it will literally tell you that it's a cream and this has intense coverage. So I like that each label they tell you what the coverage is going to be like and if it's going to be a cream, a shimmer, or a glitter. Next up we have Gentle Whisper, number 280. Oh, this purple. This purple's amazing. Okay. Love it already. Next up, 281 Vivid Mauve. Okay, to me, this is more of a purple than a mauve. Let me show you these two side by side. So you can tell between Gentle Whisper and Vivid Mauve that Gentle Whisper is more of a blue toned purple, where this, to me, is almost more in the fuchsia, maybe mauve family, but more like in a fuchsia pinky purple, if that makes any sense. Next up, we have Sweet Candy, 282. This is definitely a darker pink than the first one. This, to me, almost looks like a flamingo pink. Oh, no, the first one was orange. Never mind. And then the last number is Heavenly Pink. Now, this is a nice, like, neutral color. I like how they added that in there. But in the camera, it looks like a really soft peach. Let me show you. So then we have soft orange and heavenly pink. So you can tell the definite difference in color. Like the soft orange is a lot of a brighter orange, but this I find more of like in your neutral toned family. This is everything I got in my order. As I said, my order really basically consisted of was one of the two new collections. So I decided to get the more pastel colors. The other one is the brighter, almost like more neon colors. I'm gonna wait to get the other half of this one during the summer. I also got a NailGuard, the Acrygel and 3 new brushes. I hope you like this quick little unboxing of everything I got from Magic Gel. If you want to see me use anything from Magic Gel, the video before this, I showed you the difference between a fill and a rebalance, and I actually used the Ultra Silk Builder Gel from the Magic Gel line, so go check that video out. If anyone has any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and as usual, everything that I have in this video will be in the description, and I'll talk to you later.